Let's be real. You want to lose weight, eat well, and still have time for everything else in your busy life. But between work, family, and all the things you love, who actually wants to spend hours chopping, cooking, and cleaning up? The truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. You just need the right shortcuts and a little bit of inspiration. Imagine coming home after a long day, hungry and tired, but instead of reaching for takeout or settling for another bland salad, you whip up a delicious, satisfying meal in minutes. No stress, no mess, and definitely no guilt. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate shortcut: 3 Asian-inspired sauces that are bursting with flavor, each ready in under a minute. These aren't just any sauces, they're designed to transform simple ingredients into crave-worthy meals, all while keeping calories in check and protein high. Make a batch of each sauce just once, and you'll have the power to create a week's worth of high-protein, low-calorie meals in under 10 minutes per meal. Mix and match with your favorite lean proteins and veggies, and you'll never get bored. Say goodbye to greasy takeout, boring meal prep, and flavorless diet food. With these sauces, you'll actually look forward to eating healthy, and you'll save money too. This is the only system you'll need to eat well, stay lean, and keep your meals exciting. It's simple, it's fast, and it works, no matter how packed your schedule is. So, are you ready to cook smart, not slow? Grab your apron, fire up the stove, and let's make healthy eating the easiest part of your day. 3 incredible sauces, 10 slimming meals, all in under 10 minutes. Let's dive in and get cooking. First up, let's dive into the world of flavor with Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce, a sauce that's bright, zesty, and incredibly fast to whip up. This is the kind of sauce that instantly wakes up your taste buds and brings a burst of excitement to any meal. It's a staple in my kitchen, and once you try it, you'll see why. To start, grab some light soy sauce. It's the foundation, giving you that deep umami base without overpowering the other flavors. Next, add a splash of yuzu juice if you can find it, or fresh lemon juice as a bright, citrusy substitute. The citrus notes cut through the saltiness and add a refreshing lift. Then, crack in some black pepper. Don't be shy. The pepper adds a gentle heat and a subtle complexity that makes this sauce so addictive. Now, for a little punch, grate in some fresh garlic. Just a touch is all you need. It brings a savory depth and a hint of sharpness that ties everything together. The aroma alone will have you hooked. That's it. Just 4 simple ingredients, and you've got a sauce that comes together in seconds. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps. Just measure, mix, and you're done. It's perfect for busy weeknights, or when you want something special without spending hours in the kitchen. This citrusy, umami-packed sauce is a total game-changer for lean proteins. Drizzle it over grilled chicken, spoon it onto steamed fish, or pour it over tofu. Suddenly, your healthy meals are bursting with flavor and color. And it's not just for drizzling. Use it as a quick marinade for chicken or shrimp, toss it with roasted or steamed vegetables, or even splash it over a fresh salad for an Asian-inspired twist. It's low in calories, but huge on taste, making it perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. The best part? You can make a batch ahead of time. Just pour your sauce into a clean jar, seal it tight, and label it so you always know what's inside. It'll keep in the fridge for several days, ready to grab whenever you need a flavor boost. Say goodbye to bland, boring diet food. With this sauce, every meal becomes crave-worthy, vibrant, satisfying, and anything but plain. You'll actually look forward to eating healthy. And here's a pro tip: batch all 3 of your favorite homemade sauces at once. In just a minute, you'll have a lineup of fresh, flavorful options, so you'll never have to reach for store-bought bottled sauces again. Homemade always tastes better, and you control exactly what goes in. With Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce in your fridge, healthy eating just got a whole lot more exciting, delicious, and fun. Give it a try and see how easy it is to transform your meals. Next, Miso-Sesame Light sauce. Creamy, nutty, and umami-rich, minus the calories. Whisk white or yellow miso with water, add a drop of sesame oil, fresh garlic, and a splash of rice vinegar. It's rich, tangy, and perfect for salmon, tofu, or veggies. Batch it, chill it, and you're ready for the week. Fast, clean, and full of flavor. No stove time needed. That's how you cook smart. Last, chili lime boost sauce. Fiery, zesty, and fat-burning. Mix chili paste, fresh lime juice, a splash of vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Stir, and you're done. This bold sauce is perfect for shrimp, chicken, or veggies. The spice curbs cravings, the lime keeps it fresh. Batch once, and you've got instant flavor all week. No more bland meals or temptation to cheat. Let's see these sauces in action. Our first meal is a vibrant, flavor-packed dish. Yuzu-Soy Press-seared chicken cutlets with ribbon cucumber. This recipe is all about fresh, bold flavors and a quick, healthy approach to dinner. It's perfect for busy weeknights or when you want something light but satisfying. The combination of juicy chicken and crisp cucumber ribbons creates a beautiful balance of textures and tastes, making every bite refreshing and delicious. Start by slicing your chicken breast thinly, which helps it cook quickly and evenly. Sear the cutlets in a hot, non-stick pan until golden brown on both sides, locking in all the natural juices. Then, drizzle over a generous amount of Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce, letting it sizzle and infuse the chicken with its tangy, citrusy aroma. As the sauce bubbles and reduces, it forms a glossy glaze that clings to the chicken, delivering a punch of umami and a hint of sweetness. Baste the cutlets in the sauce to ensure every piece is coated and bursting with flavor. Meanwhile, take a fresh cucumber and use a peeler to create long, delicate ribbons. Toss these ribbons with a splash more yuzu soy sauce, adding a touch of brightness and crunch to the plate. The cucumber salad is cool, crisp, and the perfect contrast to the savory chicken. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a meal that's crisp, juicy, and absolutely packed with umami. The chicken is tender and flavorful, while the cucumber ribbons add a refreshing, hydrating crunch that makes this dish feel extra special. You can easily batch cook these cutlets for meal prep, storing them in containers for quick lunches or dinners throughout the week. Or, if you prefer, make them fresh each day for the best texture and flavor. This meal is quick, lean, and outrageously tasty. Ideal for anyone looking to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. The vibrant colors and bold flavors make it as appealing to the eyes as it is to the palate. If you're searching for the ultimate fast, clean chicken meal, look no further. This Yuzu-Soy Press-seared chicken cutlets with ribbon cucumber is sure to become a new favorite in your healthy dinner rotation. Next, Miso-Sesame salmon bites with warm spinach. Cube salmon, sear until golden, then toss with Miso-Sesame Light sauce. Wilt spinach in the same pan to soak up flavor. Plate spinach, top with salmon, drizzle more sauce. Rich in omega-3s, filling, and fast. The miso and sesame add depth. The salmon brings lean protein. Eat like a king. Hit your goals, all in minutes. Turn up the heat. Chili lime shrimp and snap peas. Sear shrimp in a hot pan, toss in snap peas, stir fry for a minute. Off heat, add chili lime boost sauce. It glazes everything. Shrimp stay juicy, peas stay crisp, fast, spicy, and light. Perfect for low-cal, high-energy meals. Serve alone or over lettuce for crunch. You won't believe it's a diet meal. Big flavor, zero guilt. Game changer Yuzu-Soy turkey smash patties with cabbage slaw. Form lean turkey into thin patties, sear for crispy edges. Shred cabbage, toss with Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce for a tangy slaw. Serve patties with a mound of slaw. No mayo, no sugar. Thin patties cook fast. Slaw adds crunch and volume. Eat big, stay lean, never feel deprived. Perfect for meal prep or a quick lunch. Go plant-based. Miso-sesame tofu steaks with wakame cucumber. Press and sear thick tofu slices until golden, then spoon over Miso-Sesame Light sauce. Hydrate wakame, toss with cucumber and rice vinegar. Refreshing, mineral-rich, and filling. Miso gives protein and umami. Tofu keeps you full. Proof you don't need meat to hit your goals. Super lean, chili lime whitefish medallions with tomato scallion salad. Slice whitefish, sear until just opaque, toss with chili lime boost sauce. Dice tomatoes and scallions, toss with lime and salt. Spoon salad over fish. Bright, clean, ultra lean. Pure protein, bold flavor, and crunch. The ultimate rapid slimming meal. Craving beef. Yuzu-Soy beef mushroom. Flash sear is your answer. Thin slice lean beef. Sear with mushrooms in a hot pan. Splash in Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce at the end for a quick glaze. Mushrooms soak up flavor. Beef stays juicy. Maximum taste, minimum calories. Serve straight from the pan. Fast and satisfying. No more boring diet food. Comfort food. Fast. Miso-sesame steamed egg cups with spinach. Whisk eggs with Miso-Sesame Light sauce, steam or microwave until set. Wilt spinach, top with egg cup, drizzle more sauce. High protein, low calorie, and cozy. The busy person's answer to scrambled eggs. Need lighter. Chili lime chicken broth bowl. Pour hot broth over shredded chicken, stir in chili lime boost sauce. Add spinach, mushrooms, or snap peas. 5 minutes, fridge to table, hydrating, filling, and warming. Change up the veggies every time. The ultimate reset meal. Ultimate no-cook meal. Yuzu-Soy tuna avocado protein cup. Mix canned tuna, ripe avocado, and Yuzu-Soy Pepper sauce. Add scallions or sesame seeds if you like. Eat straight in lettuce wraps or over rice. Refreshing, filling, and effortless. Perfect for when 10 minutes feels too long. 3 sauces, 10 meals, 0 excuses. Batch sauces keep proteins prepped. Use 1 pan and 1 knife. That's how you stay consistent and lean. This isn't about perfection. It's about being prepared. Make better choices, enjoy your meals, and build habits for life. For more fast Asian slimming meals, hit like and subscribe to SlimSync. Until next time, cook smart, eat well, and stay strong.